Papa, let's get some water in this cup. Let's get some water in this cup.
Okay, this way. Look at some mommy's cup.
So fill it up halfway.
Is it hot?
Let's do warm, right in the middle. That's fine. Well, you took it to cold, but I guess that's okay. Now don't fill it all the way to the top, but let's get it like halfway.
Wait, this how many?
Like up here, like to here. Halfway. Okay? Oh, get it off the chicken. That's dinner tonight, guys.
Come on, it's still some.
That's half a cup. Okay. And let's bring the cup over. I know. Come on, let's bring the cup over here.
Is that cookie cereal? Is that cookie cereal? Do we have more?
That's to go in the trash. That's trash. Now, come on. You think you can get the marbles open? Be careful not to spill them all on the floor. Okay. You got it? Don't open it so much. Pour them in. Pour them in the cup. It's open enough, babe. Oh, I thought that was the slit. Sorry. You got it? Don't pour them in a cup. Oh, there's another packet. Alrighty. See, I'm scared that you're going to get them all on the ground. So be careful. Because they are already tiny. Here, let me. Okay, go ahead. Pour them all in there.
Now what?
Now we have to wait. Yep. You want to sit here and wait to actually like see if we can see it change?
Yeah, to see it all the way down here.
Now we're supposed to wait for 2 minutes. That's 62 times. That's counting to 62 times.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Is it done yet?
No. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
I just
30.
see it.
Wait, you seen them move?
Yeah.
Because they're getting bigger.
Ooh, you know what's that mean? Pizza party. What happens when we get all the way to a top? I want to just put a lot of water switcher right here because I wanted to see it.
Let's move the cup over here towards the light. And then you switch positions.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
Now we can see it better.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to see if we can actually see it getting bigger. Do they look any bigger yet?
It do on the phone.
Yeah, it
But
do. It is getting bigger. Remember, they were a little tinier than that. Like you can see them like moving around a little bit because they're expanding.
Mom, I just wanted to put a lot of water so I can see it.
You just want to put a lot of water?
Well, Mom,
Hmm.
it just looked like on top of all of there.
Those are a lot of marbles. How many do you think are in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 18, 19, 16, 17, 18, 19, 16, 17.
Oh, baby, you keep going backwards and forward and backwards and forward. It's okay. We're going to learn numbers, right?
14,
Mwah.
18.
Mwah.
I just did this.
Mwah.
Oh, we did this.
Got them. They gotten so much bigger. They started out so tiny, almost like a grain of sea salt.
Yeah.
'Cause what are we really finna do with these?
How is it gonna
Jelly
get
balls.
hard though? It was like Zundy though, right? Because look
Let's see what
inside.
it does. Oh, I can't smush
Look-
it.
Look
Where'd it
inside.
go?
Because I'm just holding it. Oh.
Oh, you did it, huh?
Mhm.
Look, he had the same intrusive thoughts as me. And this is what the inside looks like. So nothing came out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's a good thing.
Huh.
Like no liquids are busting out of him when you do pop them. Because somebody will be curious, just like me and him,
Ma'am.
and want to squeeze it and bust it. But it just
Ma'am?
pretty much,
Ma'am.
I'm talking about kids watching. They're going to want to see what it feels like too because it's so smushy and stuff.
You
But